Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning everyone. A warm welcome to E-News of VGS Public School, Shidlaghatta. I am Purnika. I am Marian. Let's look at the headlines.
Organized HMSN 10th staff meeting. School reopening day. Conducted Swasti program for PUC students. Celebrated World Environment Day. Celebrated International Yoga Day. Organized Jnanankura program of our nursery kids. Celebrated Shri 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 Dr. Nirmala Nandanatha Mahaswamiji birthday as Vignatam Day. Organized Guru Purnima and Satsanga program in Balaji Convention Hall, Handingnala. Celebrated Colors Day for nursery kids. Education is the key that unlocks the golden door to freedom. The HMs and 10 teachers meeting was conducted on 5/5/2025 at BGS Public School in Shidlaghatta. The meeting began at 10:30 a.m. in the auditorium. Our respected Sir Dr. N. Shivram Reddy, CAO of Adichunchanagiri Trust, and our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev Sir was present at this meeting. All the HMs and 10 teachers from Chikbalapur and Kolar division attended the meeting. The meeting started with a prayer followed by a speech and lighting the lamp. Then, as directed by our CAO Sir, we honored those with students had achieved 100% results. Later, all the HMs explained their result analysis. Then, teachers' voice gathered and discussed their sent results. After the lunch, again we gathered in auditorium. Our CAO Sir shared key points about the 100% results and how to achieve top scores. Finally, the meeting ended with a vote of thanks. Joyful reopening, students back to school after vacation. After a long summer break, our school reopened on May 19 in the academic year 2025-2026 with great enthusiasm. Students returned to the campus wearing smiles and excitement. Classrooms which were silent during the holidays are now buzzing with energy and laughter. A special assembly was conducted on the first day. The Principal Mr. Mahadev Sir welcomed the students with inspiring words and Sir said, "A new academic year is a new beginning. Let us work hard and achieve success together." Teachers also shared their excitement and students were equally happy to be back to the school. New timetables were shared, books were distributed and classes began with a positive spirit. The school ensured with a clean and safe environment for all. Swasti program was held on 28 May 2025 at Jnanankura campus for first PUC students. Our chief guest Pujya Shri Shri Mangalanatha Swamiji, Secretary Shri Adichunchanagiri Shakamat, Tumkuru for Chikbalapur, Dr. Chetan BG Ayurvedic Doctor, Mrs. Vidya Shri Sericulture Officer, Dr. N. Shivram Reddy Sir, CAO of Shri Adichunchanagiri Shikshana Trust were present the program. Our chief guest Dr. Chetan BG and Mrs. Vidya Shri shared their struggles in the journey for their achievement for their goals. Dean Madhusudan displayed the academic plan through PPT and Dr. N. Shivram Reddy Sir, CAO of Shri Adichunchanagiri Shikshana Trust, motivated the students through some videos. Pujya Swamiji, Shri Shri Mangalanatha Swamiji gave Ashirvachana. Then Pujya Swamiji, Shri Shri Mangalanatha honored 10th and 2nd PUC students who secured highest marks in the academic year 2025. If one truly loves nature, one finds beauty everywhere. We celebrate World Environment Day on June 5th. Our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev Sir, coordinator and teachers took part of this celebration. We decorated tree with sari, jewelries and offered puja to the tree. Our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev Sir and coordinator Ambika Ma'am spoke few words regarding this celebration. Some students did drama, sang nature song and said few words about environment. Through yoga, we quiet our minds, open our hearts and embrace our true essence while shedding the illusions of ego. We celebrated International Yoga Day on 21st June. Our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev Sir, our guest Ramanna Sir and all the teachers participated in this celebration. Our principal, coordinators, teachers and students did the asanas in yoga. Then some students spoke few words about essential of yoga and our principal, Mr. Mahadev Sir, spoke few words about importance of yoga. Jnanankura program held on 23rd June at KV Bhavanam, Handiganala Gate. Our chief guest, Pujya Shri Shri Mangalanatha Swamiji, Secretary Shri Adi Chunchanagiri Shakamat, Tumkuru for Chikbalapur, Shri R. Ravi Bilishivale, Vice President of KV Bhavanam, Shri Shankare Gowda, Producer Film Industry, Dr. N. Shivram Reddy Sir, CAO of Shri Adi Chunchanagiri Shikshana Trust participated in this program. Pujya Shri Shri Mangalanatha Swamiji performed Akshara Vyasa to nursery kids and did Ashirvachana to all and Dr. N. Shivram Reddy Sir addressed the gathering. Science is a way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. We celebrated Pujya Swamiji Dr. Shri 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 Nirmalanandanatha Mahaswamiji's birthday as Vignatam Day on 27/2025. On that day, our chief guest Lakshmi Prasad Ji, state level science resource person, our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev Sir, coordinator and teachers were present. Some students made science models and exhibited their models in science exhibition. Some students pretended science dramas and some students spoke few words about Dr. Shri 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 Nirmalanandanatha Mahaswamiji and science. Our chief guest Lakshmi Prasad Ji motivated the students by his speech and our Honorable Principal Mr. Mahadev Sir addressed the gathering.
ನೈಪುಣ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರು ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕರಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Guru Purnima and Satsang program celebrated with devotion at Shidlagatta on July 22, 2025. The Guru Purnima and Satsang program organized by Shri Adi Chunchanagiri Mutt, Chikbalapur branch was held on Tuesday at Balaji Kalyana Mandapa, Chikbalapur Road, Shidlagatta Taluk. The event began at 5:30 p.m. and witnessed a large gathering of devotees, dignitaries and spiritual seekers. The program was graced by the divine presence of Pujya Shri Shri Mangalanatha Swamiji, Chikbalapur Mutt with the blessings of Paramapujya Yugayodhi Jagadguru Padma Bhushana Dr. Shri 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 Balagangadharanatha Mahaswamiji and in the divine presence of Shriman Niranjana Pranava Swarupi Paramapujya Jagadguru Shri 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 Dr. Nirmalanandanatha Mahaswamiji. In the addition to the spiritual leaders, several prominent political figures attended the event. Their presence attended to the significance of the occasion. They addressed the gathering by appreciating the culture and the spiritual work of Adi Chunchanagiri Mutt. They are Gauri Bidnuru, present MLA Puttaswamy Gowda, ex-MLA Rajanna, Rajiv Gowda, Congress leader, Puttam Chinappa, Congress leader, retired advocate Papi Reddy, Sikal Ramachandra, BJP leader, Gagana Sindhu, Tahsildar, Higher Education Minister Sudhakar from Shidlagatta and head of the Monastery of Adi Chunchanagiri Mutt. All the leaders praised the Mutt's contribution to education, rural development and spiritual upliftment. The event featured devotional songs, discourses and the sacred tradition of Sastanga Namaskara, where devotees offered full body prostrations to the spiritual leaders, symbolizing deep reverence. The program included the puja ceremony, attracting a large gathering of devotees. The puja was conducted by Adi Chunchanagiri Mutt, who was seated in a beautiful carved wooden garlands made of jasmine and roses and other flowers. The spiritual leader reminded deeply meditative during the ritual, symbolizing inner peace and devotion. The audience listened attentively as the Swamiji's delivered through-provoking discourse on devotion, discipline and the values of Indian tradition. The program concluded with the distribution of prasadam and blessings to all the attendees. Celebration of Colors Day. Nature always wears the colors of spirit. Celebration of Colors Day on 30/7/2025 at BGS Public School by nursery kids. The nursery kids classroom were decorated with colors and students also came dressed in colorful outfits like red, yellow, black, pink, green, etc. The program started with a prayer. Students welcomed all the students and guests. The program of Colors Day exhibited major colors and brought different colored toys. Our nursery kids spoke about the importance of colors at lots. Our coordinator Ambika ma'am watched the decorated rooms and said the importance of colors.
Thank you for watching BGS E News Shidlaghatta. Jai Shri Gurudev.